Hello, good morning. My name is Nanedu. Would they call you from Wazobia FM?
Okay, good morning, sir.
Good morning. You said then they want what be your issue again? Now, Tombo, talk to us.
Okay. See, it was March, early this year.
Okay.
So, somebody connected me to the landlord of my shop here.
Where your shop day?
That
Which area your shop day?
at Okwanja.
Okogane.
Okwanja.
Okwanja.
Where that one day?
Where that one day? Now for Lagos here.
When you get to Aja, then at this one, after Abama, this one, you go inside.
Okay. Like Cameroon side. But continue, I dey hear you, Okwanja. Go on.
Yes. So, from beginning of him building these shops, it's 2 shops.
Okay.
I paid him. He said I should pay him part payment. I paid.
That is the
After
landlord of the place, Abi.
Yes.
Okay.
After I paid part payment, he said I should complete it, that the money is not enough for him to finish.
Okay.
So I paid. So each of the shop is 150 per year.
Okay.
So the 2 of them is 300. Then he collected 50,000 for agent and agreement.
Okay. So which means
So
now
I paid everything.
that means now 200,000 you pay.
No, that is 350.
For the 2 shop.
Okay, you collect the 2
One
shop. You collect the 2
150.
shop.
Yes.
Okay, that means now 350 you pay. Go on.
Yes, sir. So when I paid finish, he was not able to finish it. Then there's another shop. That one is already running shop, laundry shop also. I have to renew that one. That one is 96,000. I renew it. Then he collected the money. Say he wished to finish this new one. He did finish it also. Then it was remaining wiring and then fencing. So I told him that time is going. I can't wait again. He said he need money. It's money matter. I said okay. Then let's calculate the work remaining. Let me know how much if I can do it. Then from the next payment, we deduct. We did it. Then I brought an electrician. We did the calculation. He said no, he will use his own electrician. That the one I bought is too high. He brought that
That's
one.
for this new shop, Abi.
Yes.
Okay.
So we did the calculation. Then the calculation for the electrician work was 32,000 things to buy.
Okay.
Then his workmanship 7,000, making 39,000. Then I bought 2 pieces of rubber, 9,000 for one. The 2, 18,000. Then the
Madam, what be the issue now? What be the issue? Leave what you buy.
Okay,
What
the
be
issue
the
now
issue?
is that after everything now, I did the extension. Before I did it, I told him that I want to do it. He even showed me where to do it. I said no, it's too much. I reduce it. So now that I started my business now, the man is telling me the extension that I put now, looking at the shop now, it's no more just 2 shops. It's now double. That is 4 shops, and I paid him for 2.
Wait.
That this shop outside now, the rent of this size of shop now, per one is 300, 350 outside. So I should leave the shop for him to rent it out on the higher amount that people are taking for this DB shop now.
Wait, I don't understand. After you pay the landlord, 150 when they build the place, you come pay 150. Where in say make you pay them. You pay 150,000 for each of the shop. Meaning say 2 of the shops you pay 300,000, and agency fee
Yes, sir.
now 50,000 of 350,000. Now you can't do
Yes,
other works inside the shop. Now in
Yes,
can
sir.
come back after you don't enter the shop. You don't sell for the shop already.
Yes, sir.
Now you don't sell for the shop. It can't now come back now. Can't tell you say may you come out for the shop after how many months you don't stay there.
This is the 3rd month.
3rd month. He say may you come out for there because of say the shop now 2 shop, but it don't change now to 4 shop. How it take change to 4 shop?
The extension that I put, he said the extension now is making it looking more expensive than the money I paid to him. That outside, people that have something like this, that they are renting it out for 300.
Which kind of extension you put?
It's just zinc and I use zinc and wood.
You do demarcation. Like you divide the shop with zinc and wood.
No. I did not divide it. It's front of the shop.
The front of the shop.
Okay.
All
You
those
put
extension for front.
extension for front of the. Okay.
Like to cover sun and put sun.
Okay, so you create extra space, come put things inside.
Yes.
Oh, now you come make them see what he not see. Ah, madam.
Oh.
So now wetin him come dey talk now? Say make you pay am for 2 shops extra or make you comot in one give am to another person.
He said that the new amount that people are paying for this size now is 300, 350, and I cannot pay, so I have to go let him bring people that we.
He not see you when you he not see you when you dey do the extension.
I told him, he even showed me a bigger space, but because of the expenses that we make, I have to reduce it on my own. So now I've done it now. He said it's bringing more attraction. The place is not beautiful or expensive than the amount I pay him.
That man, I just greedy.
Man,
you know what you go do for me? Text the man number. Come this line. Text the man number. Come this line immediately. Text the number. Come this line immediately. But before you text the number, waiting you don't. Una don't do sit down do discussion on top the matter. You and the guy.
This one is not just even the sit down and do discussion. Once he come and stand in my front. I'll be telling me, only you to shop, only you double shop, only you even the son have comforted me. Who ran this place for me? Did anybody that pay for it? Did I pay this? So the answer, why I even report this now is that the man brought somebody now. He entered one of the shop. I was inside one cooking because since then I can't even do this business normal. The way they are just troubling my life here. He entered one of the shop and was telling the man how they will divide that. If I go now, they are going to divide it. Then he will put it in different price. And the 2 new ones that he do now, that is 2 of the new ones that he did now. If you join it, it's one of my own. And he put it now 150. He now put it 120. Then agreement and agent 40. That is each one now 150. And my fear now is that even because the trouble is too much, I'm even ready to go so he will give my money. But the thing is that if I go now, he's going to divide it, and he will not give my money fast. Okay now, okay. If I also go, then putting it on a higher amount now, the money will be ready.
Now, what
people will not take it fast.
What you want now? What be the thing where you want me to help you do now? What you want? Just not that not concern you. Just what be the thing where you want me will do for you now?
Okay, my own now. What I want now is that as if he is asking me to go now, so you can collect bigger amounts. Let you refund my money, my complete money that I paid here.
The complete money where you pay, that's 350,000.
The 350,000, then the one I use for the
extension
work and then the painting and the extension.
Now, in total, everything now how much?
Everything now is over 500,000.
Now, what be the exact amount?
Yeah, I paid the total here is 350. Then the wiring and the painting, that is 39.
More just talk say 600,000. I've been at 700,000.
No, it's not reach like that because that one is that painting and then wiring. Let me say 67,000.
Okay, now.
Then the extension is 84,000 that I spent.
Okay, now when you don't tell him, say you don't tell him now, make him give you back your money if you want me you come out. You don't tell him.
I never tell him because my fear now is if I tell him. He want to divide it, and with the higher amount he will put, people will not collect it fast to give my money fast.
So you dey fear say you fear say Ingo tell you say make you wait until then pay for the shop before he go give you back money.
Yes.
And it possible.
And it possible say na wetin Ingo talk. Okay, you know what we go do? Text me the man number first of all because as I dey think am now. The only way when he be say go make this thing work without issue now if lawyer enter this matter. But my problem is if lawyer enter the matter when you go pay for lawyer, he go pass the matter of the shop. He go long too much. You come begin they pay money where you're not supposed to even pay because of the greed of one landlord.
But don't forget say that stay there reach like close to 3 months.
And you don't stay there reach like
3 months. They go minus
months.
some money.
Now be another thing again. So madam, the truth be say then go minus money from that 350,000 safe of the shop. Then go minus money, so you're not gonna even get the full 350k. Just text me the man number. Text us the man number. Moko try call him. Moko see. What's be your name? You know your name?
Yes, you know my name.
What's be your name?
My name is Favor Seremen Peter.
Favor 3 months.
Favor Oseremen.
Okay. Favor Oseremen Peter. Okay, Favor Oseremen Peter. Send us the man number. Make we try
and
talk to
name
him.
Biko.
and a name too. Just text them to this number.
Plus the location of the shop.
Plus the location, gone, the address of the shop, so that when we talk to them, we'll get every information where we need.
Okay, sir.
Thank you very much.
But the man will get plenty shop around that area.
I just greed 90 worry this man. I just greed.
Okay, me that's if they ask me of the other, I forget to call now. I said the young girl sick, the rush and go village. If she will come back, the landlord for the house she just enter, don't pack all her load, rent the house. But that's in carry the load go sell because till now since last year they never see the girl load. Contour say the reason why he do it, he do not say he say the girl don't die.
Who tell her the information say the girl don't die?
Say yes, say the girl don't die. So he pack the girl up from her the girl house.
How long the girl dey away for?
I just said she's sick, reach up to 3 months or so.
Nah, ain't done. I said, nah, ain't do the girl, make the girl sick.
So he said the girl don't die. I make he come out the girl property. Where the girl property dey now? They don't know where
but my problem with this landlord now, now the number one problem na greed. Now, but my major problem now say, if you give me space to take for do what I want to do, now me don't get the space for that period for that period of time. So anything where I want to do with that space, I go do with that space.
If I say lock am.
If I say make I lock the space, make nobody enter for the. Now me know why I put them there. If I say okay for that, because if I pay for this space now, the front of the veranda of the place, now me still get them.
Yes.
You get the point now. So if I want to put anything in front of them, I go put them because now me still get the space.
I won't even ask whether the new shops where in the weather instant put the extension. Since
I know. I go rent house, leave toilet outside.
No problem. If you go give me back the money, I go break the extension.
One hand.
Bam.
But if you don't want to pay for the extension,
no, if you don't want to pay for the extension, I go scatter everything.
Jackam.
Carry on, go. Jackam, carry on, come out.
Move.
Whether you if you put them back.
Put them back. Then may you spend the money, put them back yourself.
But with all due respect, sir. No vessel and to all Lagos landlord, I've come to realize that some Lagos landlord too greedy.
No, Lagos landlord. Some Lagos landlord they greedy.
Some if you see people when they come and get here, come cry. Waiting landlord don't frustrate
some
their
Lagos
life.
landlord they greedy. Good morning, Nedu and everyone in the studio. Some landlord are too inquisitive. How can you rent out a hope to someone and after when payment have been made, I now work on the extension on my own and you want to come and collect additional money? It's too bad. The people should be having conscience. Please, that man should be questioned for this. And through, you know, not just wickedness. What can I do? This woman, please, the woman should remove the extension after collecting the money. The landlord is wicked. A gift from Aja. Good morning, again, do and crew. The landlord is wicked man. After allowing the woman to finish, that's the problem.
She even take permission.
She take permission. Say, Oga, I want to do this thing. No, you are liar.
Even the landlord show her where to do. She said, no, man, do it like this. Small.
One. Can you imagine?
You see this landlord them. Government need to look into their character.
Waiting there in mind, like you want use.
Yes, ain't go don't see. Somebody go don't tell and say, say you add this thing, the money of this shop for increase.
So you can't use the lady.
You can't use the lady. I make I pursue you now. No, this man not go try this nonsense. And they do exactly what happened to my sister. My sister rented a room self-contained in Aguda. Initially, the house did not have balcony. Immediately, my sister attached balcony. The so-called landlord appeared to increase the house rent from 120 to 150.
Can you imagine?
But why are people so greedy?
Now the increase of balcony now.
And this woman, what is she doing? Like almost like a balcony.
Yes, for front. You see this landlord? For me, Ogami, I just feel, with all due respect, the Lagos state government, the people in charge of all this thing,
then they allow them happen.
They're not they look into this landlord for Lagos. They don't keep people.
Then they give them then they say if then they allow you, if enabling the environment, they allow you to do nonsense where they do and to get away with the nonsense. Now it go make you see they do them, they go every day. And because they allow them to do, and I make them see they do what they do.
And a lot of Lagos landlord they frustrate Lagosians, and the government is not saying anything about it. They borrow.
This one say my compound na slap landlord they slap they slap and treating they give all of us for compound. Even they thief our thing for house, treating us like to kill threatening to kill tenant. Hey. Wow. Okay, do that landlord need is very heartless. Upon saying use the lady finish, but not true. Now use the lady finish a shop.
Now the lady then bring the money. They take the electrical things, do others painting.
But people self need to dey wise. No, they do that kind. They help person complete house again.
Okay, complete your house. I pay the rent.
Complete your house. I pay the rent.
No, they agree for all those.
We move.
This one say he should pay her complete money without removing kobo because now she finished the shop for him. They're not right agreement now, so that one not go work. Evil and greedy landlord, mommy PP from our bar. I got a good morning. The landlord is greedy. In my area, a woman paid for a shop for a year. They started to sell in the shop. After 3 months, landlord tell her to pack her things that he doesn't like the way they are doing, not knowing that he has collected money from another person. And this woman is a widow with 3 children, and he did not balance her the complete money.
GB from Aja.
OGB, talk to us.
What do they pass for landlord and landlady issue for Lagos is too much? The reason that people are suffering in Lagos is because of people where they look for a house, even more than
pass the house where they.
Yes, because now no they do, and because if they pack come out now, then in 2 days or 3 days, another person will pay more higher.
And even safe. The funny part be say, if you pay 100,000, somebody go come, the person go offer 200,000, make you pack come out.
Yeah, that's what they're going to frustrate you so that you go come out and another person do need this and buy to pay, then enter. I don't know how go to help us in Lagos State too.
I hope the Lagos State government will hear this thing. Good morning, Ogane. The Lagos landlord. This behavior is very bad. Even my landlord showed me dilapidated compound building when not they completed in agreement to rebuild and pay rent of 200,000. After the renovation, this landlord make you pay 200,000 naira for renovation of the building. After they pay the rent, the 200,000 as the rent. When they finish, they may increase it to 350,000. And I disagree. Till he bring it down to 230,000. He's even telling me the number of people that will stay in it. Jesus.
Not more than 2 head.
Jesus. So that landlord is very good. The woman must stay in the shop until her money expires. The landlord will give her quick notice. She will stay for 1 year without payment, even if the landlord carry police station. This
not
man,
be Lagos landlord.
Not be Lagos landlord. If Lagos landlord, then get some people for their pocket too.
Baba Smart, you see this Lagos landlord.
It's Lagos landlord. They get some people for their pocket too.
They'll give you later. Send Alausa. When you got Alausa tell you know their way of the paper. Who can't give them paper? We can Alausa later head and all that thing. This Lagos landlord, they're strong.
They get templates already.
They're strong. Go. They go pack you out or not. Even police go follow them pack you out.
Ew.
Yeah, I don't.
Not
many
true.
cases there
Not
our
true.
hand.
Not true. Police go help them even pack you come out.
You come
Police
out.
go help them pack you come out.
For this Lagos.
Madam.
Hello, sir. He sent his son out to come in that let's have discussion.
Oh, what be the landlord name? More call for radio.
What hear radio now?
Hear radio now.
Wow.
Make up. What be name? Call his name.
Mother the fear.
The name, I can't just call the name. Except I have to go and check this thing he gave me. That's
The receipt.
The receipt. He don't send the madam. He don't send the pikin. May come meet you now. I be.
Yeah, it's a make we talk.
Madam,
He don't hear the other.
he don't hear the other.
Better one.
He don't hear the other. He who have the electric have the other. Madam, make I tell you now, no worry. Anyhow the meeting take go tell us who go shout for radio until he leave you. May you finish your year where you pay. If you not agree leave you, may you finish your year where you pay. The exact money where he give you, where you give him, he go give you back. You dey see him, and then we come out. That your extension where you do for that place, you go come out am. You dey hear me so now?
Okay, sir.
No what? You see for that where they go. Not pro. Not be Benin woman you be.
Yes, sir.
La wo. Why you can't dey form my hand now?
As in,
Sure.
Madam, you dey form my hand. You dey form the hand of Benin people now.
You know, give her one night.
Don't give her one night. Just come on leg for slippers. Matter for ground. Give her one night.
Okay, sir.
Oh yeah, when you finish, just let us know how you go, okay?
Okay, sir.
Landlord go collect woto na.
You see one thing with our backyard. Millions of people. Me, I know say the landlord must listen. Or somebody don't tell us, Oga, quick, they talk about you soon collect.
Ogane, do good morning. Don't be surprised that is another person have paid. Yes, so.
True.
Don't be surprised another person don't pay for that shop.
It could be one woman where even they nearby.
Where even they nearby.
They hide the shop.
they hide the shop.
Now, wow, they do Lagos landlord. Me and my family stayed in a house for 8 years. Till our toilet blocked. I called my landlord to ask for permission to fix toilet. He said no. it's not something I should dabble into. And and asked me to wait. We waited for about 2 months without toileting in our toilet. So I decided to leave to another compound with fresh payment, leaving the 5 months behind. As our rent did not expire before packing, he promised to pay us 5 months, which he did not pay till date. It has been 6 months now. Now, so our landlady for the other house where she take go open her tenant pot of stew.
I didn't tell you.
I don't understand why.
Use plate collect inside the stew where they for fire. Cause the woman they enter house to house go take something and she come cut oil, come for ground. Now woman come follow enter. Now so everything take cast. I go push you for well. Now I'm saying face me and slap you compound be that one now.
Let me choice now.
Now face me and slap you compound be that.
Have you thought about it? There's no way we can be in our backyard. We'll forget our landlord them.
Oh.
Because they get backyard for the
compound.
compound.
Get backyard for the compound. You get the point now.
Don't leave me.
Oh God.
This one now don't hear now. You don't call madam.
You never download the Wazobia FM app? Chai! You didn't miss Wella. Oh yeah, download our Wazobia FM app today on top Apple Store and Google Play Store. Make you fit listen anywhere and everywhere. Join the Chukmouth family today.
Wazobia FM 95.1.
Chukmouth.